Tired of missing dialogue, or just prefer watching with subtitles? Let's dive into how to control subtitles on your Netflix mobile app, from turning them on to completely customizing their look. First, launch the Netflix app on your phone and select the show or movie you want to watch. For this example, I'm going to be choosing Stranger Things. Once the show starts, tap your screen to reveal the playback controls. You should see a few icons appear. Look for the speech bubble icon that's your subtitle control center. Tap on it. A menu will pop up giving you audio and subtitle options. Here, you can select your preferred language for subtitles or turn them off completely by selecting off. To turn subtitles off, just select off now. Let's get into customizing those subtitles. Go back to the main Netflix screen and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select App Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Video Playback section and tap on Subtitles. Here's where the magic happens. You can adjust the text size to small, medium, or large. You can also change the font to your liking, and even tweak the background color and opacity to make the subtitles easier to read against different scenes. Once you're happy with your selections, the changes are automatically saved. Now, go back to your show and enjoy your perfectly customized subtitles.